My rose petals were closed, but the law of the Lord made my flower bloom. Washed me with his healing waters and turned the skies of my life ocean blue. The Lord has calmed the waves of my sea. He planted his seeds and turned my dead grass into green. The Lord has been merciful. He has been kind. He gave his son in my winter, so his word I could find. God took his hand and showed me my wrongs. Now the birds surrounding me do sing, and I can understand their song. Now I know your rivers are clean, and the stream you gave runs miles long. God, thank you for putting the stars back in the sky of my life. Now there is brightness in my darkest of nights. Wash me, clean me. I want to be as white as snow. I want to see the land of the living, so in your word I will grow. Your love is taller than the mountains of the valley. He shined his light upon me and brought me out the darkest of alleys. Like the trees, your glory has put the air back in my lungs. The birds meet me at the window to sing me the song of your love. Your rainbow of many colors has changed my garments white. That flesh against the spirit, every day it's a fight. Thou hast laid the foundations of the earth, and the heavens are the work of thy hands. Thou hast cleaned up the field of my mind, and will heal our land. As the heart paineth after the water brooks, so paineth my soul after thee. When you called my soul, it was bare, no fruit on my tree. Now my soul does rejoice, and my eyes do see. In his hand are the deep places of the earth. His law told me to wrap up my head and lengthen my skirt. The north and the south, thou hast created them, and we do turn towards the east when praying to him. And he shall be like a tree planted by the rivers of the water that bringeth forth fruit in his season. God planted his seed in our gardens. For us to live was his reason. The rips in our soul have now been sown. Show mercy, Lord, and allow us to approach your throne. Amen.